Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an online course with Udemy step by step clearly. Begin by identifying a topic you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Research to ensure there is a demand for this topic on Udemy. Consider your target audience and their learning needs. Create an outline for your course, breaking it into modules and lessons. Decide on the format of your course, such as video lectures, quizzes, or written materials. Invest in quality recording equipment, including a good microphone and camera. Set up your recording space to be quiet and well lit. Start recording your first lecture, speaking clearly and confidently. Edit your videos to remove any mistakes and enhance clarity. Create engaging visual aids or slides to complement your lessons. Upload your course materials to the Udemy platform. Write a compelling course description that outlines what students can expect to learn. Set a reasonable price for your course based on the value it provides. Add promotional materials such as a trailer or promotional videos. Launch your course with a marketing plan to reach your target audience. Engage with your students through Q&A and feedback. Regularly update your course content to keep it relevant and valuable. Monitor your course performance and adjust as necessary based on student feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.